Hello, my name is Christopher Dittrich. At Rothenberger, I am responsible for the pipe cleaning area, and today I will show you our Ro-Pump Super Plus. The Ro-Pump Super Plus is a suction pressure cleaner and has been established on the market for many years. It is our all-purpose weapon in the fight against blockages. It is particularly suitable for HVAC installers and users who are confronted with blockages in domestic installations such as showers, wash basins, or toilets. In addition, there are also many experienced users from the field of pipe cleaning who appreciate the product because it provides a quick and easy solution, often without having to dismantle toilets or siphons at sinks. When using the Ro-Pump, the blockage is removed by negative pressure. This means that when the blockage is sucked in, it is loosened, and when it is pushed in, the blockage is flushed away. This prevents damage to the plug-in connections of the high-temperature pipes that are often used, which ultimately prevents serious water damage. In addition, the Ro-Pump stands out from other suction pressure cleaners on the market because of the tube used. In the Ro-Pump, we use a tube that is bent from one piece, so that we do not have a joint here in the bend. In this way, we avoid leaks and extend the life of the tool. One of the most important features of the Ro-Pump is the adjustable handle, which allows optimal control of the tool. One can adjust the handle so that there is always optimal pressure on the drain without the hand getting too close to the drain or the standing water. There is also the possibility of perfectly adapting the Ro-Pump to different situations by means of various adapters. We have here a small adapter, which is optimal for sinks. But there is also a long version of the adapter, which is suitable for toilets, and a wide version, which finds a perfect application in shower drains or wide drains. Furthermore, the seamless form offers the highest possible stability and thus ensures a long service life. You can see that with the Ro-Pump, we have the possibility to remove blockages quickly and successfully, even on a small scale, without having to equip ourselves with expensive spiral tools. It also excels with its immediate readiness for use and its durable and ergonomic design for all purposes. Just try the Ro-Pump for yourself.